How to use mysql with Python and Django in OSX 10.6? This is a much discussed issue for OSX 10.6 users, but I haven't been able to find a solution that works. Here's my setup. Python 2.6.1 64-bit Django 1.2.1 MySQL May 1st 1947 OSX 10.6 64-bit. I create a virtualenv wrapper with no site packages, then installed Django. When I activate the virtualenv and run python manage.pysync, I get this error. I've also installed the MySQL for Python adapter, but to no avail. Maybe I installed it improperly? Anyone dealt with this before?
This issue was the result of an incorrect installation of the MySQL for Python adapter. Specifically, I had to edit the path to the mysql_config file to point to. Discussed in greater detail in this article, this URL.
I had the same error and pip install MySQL Python solved it for me. Alternate installs. If you don't have pip, easy_install MySQL Python should work. If your Python is managed via packaging system, you might have to use that system, for example, sudo apt-get install ... Below, solely notes that if you receive the following error: environment error, mysql_config not found. Then you have a further system dependency issue. Solving this will vary from system to system, but for Debian-derived systems, sudo apt-get install python mysql.
Running Ubuntu, I had to do.
Adding to other answers, the following helped me finish the installation MySQL Python. Virtualenv, MySQL Python, pip, anyone know how? On Ubuntu. Don't forget to add sudo to the beginning of commands if you don't have the proper permissions.